Breaking news. Ize Iyamu reacts as court disqualify him and his running mates. Hello, my people. How are you doing today? A very one big thank you to every one of you. Yesterday, we saw that a high court in Edo State disqualified Ize Iyamu's running mate, Abdul Ghani, and, there's been quiet since that happened. But right now, Ize Iyamu has broken silence and has responded with regards to the disqualification that has come upon himself and his running mate. What could this mean? Could this mean war? Are they ready to contest it in court? Because they are still pursuing other cases against Governor Godwin Obaseki. And if the disqualification case is being listened to and adhered to, that means they don't have a chance of ever ruling Edo State for the next 4 years. That is from now to 2024. Let's get all the details. Ize Iyamu reacts as court disqualified him and his running mates. Edo State governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress in the September 19, 2020 election in the state, Pastor Osage Ize Iyamu, has reacted to the ruling of the Edo High Court sitting in Benin, which disqualified him and his running mate, Gani Abdul. The ruling was passed by the court on Wednesday, 3 weeks after the Federal High Court Abuja cleared Ize Iyamu's running mate. Ize Iyamu, in a statement released today, said, "I have received the news of the judgment delivered today, January the 6th, 2021, by the Edo State High Court sitting in Benin City, disqualifying me and my running mate, Gani Abdul, from contesting the global national election held in Edo State on September the 19th, 2020. The judgment, to say the least, is unfortunate and utterly wrong. I have already instructed my counsel to appeal the judgment, as I am convinced that the Court of Appeal will dispassionately consider the facts presented before the court and arrive at a just conclusion in accordance with the rule of law." The APC governorship candidate called on his supporters to remain calm and law-abiding while they go on the legal battle. This is not the end. We are going to take it to the appeal court, where it will be looked into further to ascertain how they came to this conclusion. We will look at it, and already a panel has been set up to look at what really happened in Edo election. How did PDP win that election? He assured them that justice will prevail in the matter and the glory will belong to God. No matter what, we stay calm because we know that we are in charge and we are going to win the battle. It's only a matter of time. We keep pressing on, no shaking. We will win, we will travail. That is Pastor Osage Ize Iyamu responding to the discussion of what happened yesterday in the High Court in Edo State, where a judge disqualified Ize Iyamu's running mate, saying the credentials he presented to INEC accompanying his form was wrong and that the credentials were fraudulent, and as a result, according to INEC stipulation, he's been disqualified from the race. Remember that Ize Iyamu and his running mate are also seeking court injunction against PDP and Governor Godwin Obaseki, of which, if, for instance, they win their court injunction and Governor Godwin Obaseki in any, say for any reason, is, so that's how it works. If, for instance, what they are praying the court is granted at any chance, then it gives them the opportunity to take over. But what has happened now is, since they've been disqualified, it therefore stands that they cannot have that position, opportunity to ever ascertain to become governor or deputy governor of Edo State. The matter is still ongoing, and they said, like you heard him, said they are challenging this right in court. It's not that they don't understand where this is coming from, but they are taking it straight to the court, and it's going to be challenged, and they will ascertain and get to the bottom of what happened and why the court has decided that he is disqualified. Remember that in Nigeria, when you are not happy with what the court has said, you can go to the appeal court. And from the appeal court, you can as well go to the Supreme Court, if you are not happy. But the Supreme Court remains like the highest courts where judgment is decided. So this is where we are at the moment. Don't forget that PDP, APC, I beg your pardon, has set up a panel to investigate the September 19 election in Edo State. And the tag is, how did Obaseki win? Is the tag. And so Ize Iyamu has called on all his supporters to remain calm as they are going straight to court to ascertain what really happened and how come Gani is being disqualified. That indeed, Gani is their candidate and he should not be disqualified in any way, in any reason. And as such, they are taking it back to the appeal court. He believes that injustice, the judgment was wrongly passed, and that justice will prevail in a few matter of time by the time they go to the appeal court, and the appeal court is able to look at the facts before them. The high court in Edo State said Gani presented fraudulent documents, which is against and contrary to INEC regulation with regards to the form he filled. And don't forget that the governorship ticket is like a wedding band. It covers the husband and the wife. So it covers the governor and the deputy. One is not without the other. So, but that law they are trying to, right now, INEC is working on that because it really affected them seriously in the last elections in some states, like Bayelsa, where the governor was declared, the APC governor was declared the winner. However, his running mate was disqualified, which affected him. So they are working on that really seriously at the moment to make sure that that does not happen again anytime soon with regards to election, especially in Edo State. He's encouraged everybody, all his supporters in Edo State, APC supporters, to remain calm as they are going straight to the Court of Appeal to look at the matter, because what this means is that it means game over. Honestly speaking, if nothing is done, it means game over. No need to pursue Obaseki. Go home. That's what it means. You see, so unless they just want to pursue shadows, and don't forget that University of Ibadan has come to clear Governor Godwin Obaseki, although we are still waiting for the final judgment by January the 11th, where the lifespan of the case will be expiring. We'd like you to leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, please share, subscribe, click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now.